Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, and today we're going to compare the fees when you buy Bitcoin on Cash App versus Strike. If you're new to the channel, I do finance, mobile app tutorials, things like that, so be sure to subscribe if you're interested. One of the things I talk about quite a bit is Bitcoin on these finance apps like Cash App, Strike, Coinbase, Robinhood. So I wanted to start to compare the fees a little bit. So today we're going to be comparing the fee of Cash App versus Strike. And I'm just going to purchase $1. If you want to see me do higher amounts like $10 or $100 in the future, just drop a comment down below. Let us know what you think. So I'm going to buy these like back to back so we get the best comparison. Let's go ahead and buy Bitcoin on Cash App first. Tap on Bitcoin, tap buy, tap $1, tap next. I'm going to scan my face, give us the order information, and tap confirm. Just like that, I've purchased some Bitcoin on Cash App. Now we're going to head over to Strike, go to the Bitcoin tab, tap buy, tap $1, tap next. It's going to give us the info and confirm. Just like that, we've purchased Bitcoin on Strike. All right, so I got this little text edit thing. You can see by the Bitcoin balance, I only got about 97 cents of Bitcoin on this transaction, so about a 3% fee. 97 cents, and I got 0.0004225 Bitcoin. So now we're going to take a look at Strike app. Look at this transaction. I should have gotten about $1 on Strike. Their fees are pretty much non-existent. I'm sure they do manipulate it in some little way to get a fee though, you know. So there we have it. Definitely getting more Bitcoin here on Strike than Cash App. Let's go ahead and open up a calculator. So 0.0004334 divided by 0.0004225 equals. So this is about 2.5+% more Bitcoin if you're buying a small amount through Strike rather than Cash App. And that's a huge difference in the long run. So in the long run, that's going to be your outcome right there. On Strike, you'd get 1 Bitcoin, and on Cash App, you'd get 0.975, which is just an insane amount. Like if you think about Bitcoin being $1 million someday, that's a $25,000 difference. So that's why I've been using Strike for my Bitcoin purchases. I just buy in here, you can see my balance at the top, and then you can use the arrow in the top right to just send to whatever wallet you use. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.